Hello guys, welcome to Pantech Solutions. Today I am going to show a demo on EEG classification using deep learning. So first we have to run the main file. We just gone into the directory to run the main file python final2.py. So we have already created the dataset using EEG headset such as Mindwave Mobile and BrainSense. And here we are having three classes. First one is blink, and second one is abnormal, and third one is abnormal. So GUI appeared. So here we are having three push buttons: browse image, and then classify, and then train. We have already done a training for a large number of data sets. Since it will take more time, I'm not gonna do that now. So first browse image, then classify. So it is classified as a blink. Abnormal, and then normal. So to purchase this source code, please contact pantechsolutions.net or to the WhatsApp number which is given in the description below. Thank you for watching this video guys. Bye.